Prevention is key when it comes to dental health, and Give a Kid a Smile Day is what Eastern Pediatric and Orthodontic Dentistry is doing to give back to the community and to those who may not have access to dental care. Dr. Jasper Lewis Jr. says access dental care is very difficult for some in eastern North Carolina, and some areas have limited access to dentists who specialize in children.
Eastern North Carolina is still a rural part of the state, and it's also an indigent part of the state. So for a lot of these folks, even driving from Bethel or Wilson or where like that, it's a huge expense because after COVID, they have to take a day out of work, which is expensive. They have to pay for the gas, which we all know is expensive.
Friday, Dr. Lewis, along with his son and East Central Dental Society, treated children ranging from 5 to 15 years old. Kiera Smith says she was grateful that her 7-year-old daughter was able to receive her first dental service for free.
I want to do better than I did for myself with my kids, so I'm glad I was able to come here.
Dr. Lee Lewis says many parents are unaware that children should start seeing a dentist at least by the age of 1.
Primary teeth play a huge part in the health of the oral cavity as that person becomes an adult. One, they are the best space maintainer that you have. They hold the space for the permanent tooth.
He adds that most of the parents do mean well but can't afford the care.
A lot of these families, they make too much to qualify for Medicaid, but not enough to be able to purchase dental insurance.
It's the difference between being able to buy food and get here. And that's how a lot of parents and patients see. They have a lot to deal with.
A key factor is also maintaining oral care at home.
Home care is 110% the most important. What you do away from the dentist's office, it can make or break the health of your teeth. So it's very important for home care, toothbrush, floss, mouth rinse. Now, Dr. Lewis says they usually see around 150 patients at this annual event. They say this year they saw fewer patients, but that was a benefit because they were able to spend more time with those little patients. In Pitt County, I'm Star Connor for News Channel 12.